Namaste. Welcome to my channel. It's me Bipana and I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come up with this Shrawan special makeup look. I hope you guys will find it helpful in this month of Shrawan. I will also be showing you guys two ways of carrying this makeup. Modern चाहिँ यही भइहाल्यो. So I will be showing a traditional look मा चाहिँ यो makeup कस्तो देखिन्छ भनेर at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I will be brushing my eyebrows here upwards. Now I'm taking this Essence को eyebrow gel. Eyebrows fill गरिसकेपछि फेरि म स्पुली लिएर I will brush it to blend that harsh line. To clean my eyebrows, today I will be using this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer. I'm taking a decent amount यो concealer brush लिएर. Now I'm going to define my brows. Concealer apply गर्यो भने चाहिँ एकदम neat and clean देखिन्छ हाम्रो eyebrows चाहिँ. So that's the reason we use concealer. Now to blend this concealer, I'm using this fluffy brush यस्तो खालको. I will use this to set my eyebrows here in its place. I am done with my eyebrows. अनि अघि नैको concealer यो मेरो हातमा बसेको concealer चाहिँ I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow base. I'm using this all over my eyelid and blending with the same brush. Now I'm setting my eyelid. त्यसको लागि चाहिँ म यो Maybelline Fit Me को loose powder use गर्छु. यो श्रावण महिना भएकोले चाहिँ I'm going to be creating a green color eye look. I'm taking this green shade in my finger. मेरो eyelid भरि म यही कलर लगाउँछु. I will do the same on my other eye. Now it's time to blend. To blend, I'm taking यस्तो blending brush. हल्का light green shade लिएर I'm going to blend it with this यो dark वाला shade. Blend गर्ने until it turns to be okay. Circular motion ma, back and forth motion ma. We have to blend this eyeshadow. एकदम blended नदेख्दासम्म we need to blend it. अझै राम्रोसँग blend भएको छैन. So yeah, blend guys until your hand hurts. म चाहिँ eyeliner भन्नाले wing चाहिँ बनाउँदिन आज. यो lash line मा मात्रै लगाउँछु. अब चाहिँ I'm going to curl my lashes with this lash curler. Look at that lashes. Now I'm applying mascara. यो Essence को I Love Extreme mascara use गर्छु. मैले चाहिँ आफ्नो eyelashes off camera लगाइसके र अब चाहिँ I'm going to apply यो Milani को oil. Face oil हो यो चाहिँ. मैले चाहिँ पहिला face oil लाई मजाले आफ्नो face मा लगाए. not forgetting the neck area. हामी चाहिँ यो फिस ओइललाई चाहिँ सोक हुन दिनुपर्छ. The oil is finally soaked into my skin, so now we will be heading towards primer. र primer को लागि चाहिँ I will be applying this Smashbox को primer. यो primer चाहिँ मैले आफ्नो T-zone एरियामा लगाउँछु. रिमेनिङ पार्ट्समा चाहिँ म यो गोल्डन रोजको मेकअप प्राइमर लगाउँछु. Now I will be taking this Maybelline Fit Me को foundation in the shade Natural Base 220 मा चाहिँ यो मेरो हातको पछाडि दिन्छु. अनि त्यसपछि ब्रसले I will be applying it. After the foundation is done, I'm going to apply concealer. Tej Milani ko concealer. Now to contour my face, I will be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. And now it's time to stick the face with this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This fluffy brush, I'm going to take some powder and set my whole face. Now for blush, I will be taking your Bipana blush. Now it's time to highlight, so I will be using this Wet n Wild Go highlight in the shade Precious Petal. I'm going to line my lips. So I will be using this LA Colors Go lip liner in the shade Dark Brown. Now I'm going to add Maybelline Go lipstick, the shade 05 Loyalist. I will be adding this lipstick on my center of the lips. It's time to blend with my finger. Now to finish this look, I will be spraying some mist. So yeah guys, this is the final look and यो चाहिँ modern wear भयो के अरे. I will be showing you guys traditional look पनि. यही मेकअपमा traditional look चाहिँ कस्तो देखिन्छ भनेर I will show you guys that also in few minutes. So yeah, this is the another way to carry this makeup look. Just the thing is, you have to change the earrings. And also not forgetting the bindi, we call it tika. Yeah, you can change your hairstyle, some jewels. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me doing all of this. Let me know how I did this look. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye guys.